Today in this video we are going to learn about the articles, the use of articles, proper use of articles a, an and the. A and the are generally called articles. These are adjectives. They are mostly used as determiners. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite article. Definite and indefinite article. Article a and n are called indefinite article and the is called definite article. Article is not very difficult topics, but if we do not care properly, if we do not pay proper attention while learning, and if we do not have the clear concept about article, it becomes difficult and we can't make it errorless. Sure, if the concept is not clear, always the mistake follows. So please avoid the mistake, be clear and take a clear concept about the topic. Article a and n, and the. Where to use a or an? First of all, we are talking about indefinite article a or n. Look at here, a or n. Where to use? This is another question. Where to use a or n? Here is the question. Where to use a or n? This is another question. Look at here. You can see here and here the use of article a or n. The choice between a or n is determined by sound. The article a is used before a countable noun with consonant sound. Countable noun with consonant sound, consonant sound as well as singular noun only. We use a or n before singular noun, before countable noun, and a is used before consonant sound. N is used here, you can read here, n is used before countable, singular and vowel sound. Countable, singular and vowel sound. Countable, singular and vowel sound. So, for example, look there. A donkey. Here, donkey, da. Da is a consonant sound. Monkey, ma. Ruler, ra, ru. So, these are some of the examples here. Similarly, article n is used. Article n is used here. Article n is used with a countable noun that starts with a vowel sound. Countable noun that start with a vowel sound and singular noun before singular noun. Before singular noun. भनेको article n चाहिँ countable means गन्न सकिने. Sound, vowel sound. Countable noun, vowel sound, singular noun. Singular noun, ekvachan. So here are some of the example here. Example, for example, an orange, an apple, an inkpot, an ass, an enemy, an hour, an honest man, an ire, an ma, etc. Here you can easily notice that the words hour, honest and ire begins with a vowel sound as the initial letter h is silent. So we use a. It is another condition where we use a. It is important for everyone. Look here. We use a before one. O-N-E-1. We use a before O-N-E-1. Example, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed person, a one-man show, a one-legged man, etc. So I think it is clear. A or N, where we use A or N. A or N is used with countable, singular, vowel and consonant sound. A is used with countable, singular, consonant sound, and N is used before countable, singular, with vowel sound. It is clear now. Now we go to the definite article the. Definite article the. Here, definite article the, we learn about where to use definite article the. Now look at here. Everybody look at here. Now where we use the article, this is definite article because we use the before the particular purpose. At a particular purpose we use the. So the uses of the are given below. We can look here properly, please get the concept clearly, otherwise you will have the mistakes while solving the problem, or while talking to the people, while conversation, while writing. Anyway, it's important. So please give your proper attention here. The definite article the is normally used while speaking of a particular person or things or one already referred to. For example, the book on the table is mine. The girl with the long nose is my sister. I helped the man who came to me. It means I helped the man who came to me. The same man. The man who come to me. Only the particular man. Peculiar. Second rule. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, the cow is a useful animal. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Here, look at here. A singular noun that mean to represent a whole class. Here, the cow means all types of cow here. Here, in second example, the rose means all types of rose here. Rules number 3, with the superlative degree of adjective. We know that there are three degree of adjectives. They are positive, comparative and superlative. Before superlative degree of adjectives, we use the article. Here are some of the example. Prerana is the best student in her class. You know which one is the adjective here? Yes. Very good. Best adjective. This best is the adjective here. This best one is the adjective here. Look, this best is adjective. Here is this tallest is adjective. Here is also the same form. Here is the highest is adjective. Here are some of the rules. Look, some of the examples. Prashant is the tallest boy in his group. This is the best book I have ever read. The best book I have ever read. अहिलेसम्मकै सबैभन्दा राम्रो. Yes, best. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Highest mountain in the world. संसारको सबैभन्दा अग्लो. So it is very easy. So with the superlative degree. Similarly, with the name of gulfs, rivers, seas, oceans, groups of islands and mountain range. Before this name, we use the article. With ordinal number, you know, ordinal number means first, fifth. These are ordinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th, 100. These all are ordinal number. Before ordinal numbers, we use the. Similarly, before the names of certain books, look here, name of books, holy books, religious book, religious epic, we use the for them. Here are some of the name of the books. Look at here. This, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Vedas, etc. Similarly, next rule, before the unique nouns are mentioned here. Unique noun are mentioned here. Can look it properly. Unique noun are mentioned here. You can look it properly. Unique noun. Before unique nouns, we use the article. For example, the earth, the sky, the universe, the sun, the moon, etc. Before these names, we use the article. Similarly, before the musical instruments, at the sense of playing, we use the article. The madal, the piano, the guitar, the flute, etc. These names, look at here. The madal, the piano, the guitar, the flute, etc. Similarly, before the names of newspaper, we use the article. The Kathmandu Post. Yes, the Kathmandu Post. Here, the Kathmandu Post. The Rising Nepal, the Himalayan Times, etc. These all are the Kathmandu Post, the Rising Nepal, the Himalayan Times, the Gorkhapatra, the Kantipur Delhi. These are the name of the newspaper, and before the name of the newspaper we use the article. Similarly, before plural names of countries, the example, the USA, the UK, the Netherlands, the USSR, etc. These are the plural name of the countries. Before the plural name of the countries, we use the article. Before the parts of day, we get here. Before the parts of day, we use the article. Like here, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. So these are the parts of the day. We use the article before the parts of the day. Similarly, before the names of direction and poles, the west, the east, the north pole, the south pole, etc. So look at here, another rules is here, which is not highlighted here. These rules, look, before names of nationalities, religion, races, post or position, we use the article. Example, the Nepalese, the Hindus, the black, the prime minister, the president, the teacher, the principal, etc. So before the name of scientific invention, we also use the article. For example, the computer, the telephone, the radio. Okay, this is the simple explanation about using a or and. I will make another video for omission of article, or where we do not use article a and or the. I will make it and upload it in next video. So please watch this video and like, share and comment it. Thank you everybody. Thank you.